It has come to the notice of the law department that various department of the secretariat, after they are served with the copies of writ petitions, sanction their defense at public expense without offering their comments as to the contentions made in the writ petitions and obtaining legal advice from the solicitor to government West Pakistan. Full stop. In such cases, the solicitor issues necessary authority to the Advocate General or the Additional Advocate General, as the case may be, to appear and defend the writ petitions. Full stop. This is a very wrong procedure as it sometimes entails avoidable and necessary expense on the part of the government. Full stop. When the Advocate General slash Additional Advocate General puts in his appearance in a case, he becomes entitled to daily fees. Full stop. Cases are not uncommon in which, although the administrative departments desired that certain writ petition should be defended at public expense, the law department advised against it on the ground that the writ petitions were not likely to succeed and that it would be sheer waste of money to make any attempt to defend them. Full stop. All administrative secretaries and head of attached department are advised that before they accord sanction to the solicitor parawise comments on the writ petitions, and offer their opinion concisely whether and on what grounds they would like the writ petition to be defended at public expense. Full stop. After the facts are known from the administrative departments concerned, the solicitors department will be in a position to advise whether it would be worthwhile and prudent to defend the writ petition in question or not. Full stop. This department has already requested all departments of the secretariat to create special desks in their offices and put a reasonable officer in charge of all litigation work of that department who could supply the necessary details to the solicitors department. Full stop. It may be emphasized that unless full facts and comments are received from the departments concerned, it will not be possible for the solicitors department to transmit the sanction to defend the writ petition to the Advocate General slash Additional Advocate General. Full stop. The result may be that the matter may go by default. Full stop. All administrative secretaries and heads of attached departments are therefore requested to observe these formalities and methods of procedure meticulously and without exception to enable the law department to assist them efficiently in accordance with the rules of business and the law department